Hey everyone, it's MKBHD here. The rumor mill is buzzing. Leaks are dropping. It's that time of year again. We're talking about the iPhone 17. It's still months away, but the leaks are already painting an exciting picture. Today we'll break down everything we've heard so far about Apple's next flagship. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. We'll be looking at the major design changes. Spoiler alert, they're big, camera upgrades, and the beastly A19 chip. Plus, we'll dive into display rumors, potential new models, and that all-important release date. So grab your AirPods, settle in, and let's unpack the future of the iPhone. The iPhone 17 is rumored to be getting a major facelift. We're talking the biggest redesign since the iPhone X. Leaked images show a radical new look, with a horizontal pill-shaped camera bump. Think Google Pixel 9 vibes. But the camera bump isn't the only thing changing. Whispers suggest Apple might ditch the surgical-grade stainless steel frame on the Pro models. Instead, we might see a return to aluminum or even a premium titanium option. And hold on tight, because the camera layout itself might get flipped to a horizontal arrangement. Get ready for a whole new iPhone experience. You know Apple can't release a new iPhone without some serious camera upgrades, and the iPhone 17 doesn't disappoint. Rumor has it that all models will feature a 24-megapixel front-facing camera. That's a big jump from the current 12-megapixel sensor, but wait, there's more. This new front camera is said to have a 6-element lens promising killer low-light performance and overall image quality. And if you're a Pro Max fan, get excited. Leaks suggest a massive 48-megapixel telephoto lens might be in the works. That means even more detail and clarity in your zoomed-in shots. Let's talk about what's under the hood. The iPhone 17 is not just another smartphone. It's a technological marvel packed with cutting-edge innovations. From its sleek design to its powerful internals, every aspect has been meticulously crafted to deliver an unparalleled user experience. The iPhone 17 is expected to pack Apple's latest and greatest, the A19 Bionic chip. This chip is the heart of the device, driving its performance and efficiency to new heights. It's not just about raw power, it's about smart power. This bad boy is rumored to be built on a super-efficient 3-nanometer process. This means more transistors packed into a smaller space, leading to better performance and lower power consumption. It's a win-win for both speed and battery life. Translation, even faster performance with even better battery life. Imagine playing your favorite games, streaming high-definition videos, or multitasking with multiple apps without any lag. But that's not all. We're also hearing whispers of a RAM upgrade across the entire iPhone 17 lineup. More RAM means your phone can handle more tasks simultaneously without slowing down. Think 12 gigabytes of RAM, even on the base model. This is a significant leap from previous generations, ensuring that even the most demanding apps run smoothly. That means smoother multitasking, faster app loading, and a buttery smooth user experience. Whether you're switching between apps, browsing the web, or playing games, everything feels seamless. Plus, the A19 is expected to bring even more powerful on-device AI capabilities. This means your iPhone can learn and adapt to your usage patterns, making your experience more personalized and efficient. Get ready for some next-level computational photography and machine learning magic. The camera will be smarter, capturing stunning photos in any lighting condition and enhancing them in real time. The future of smartphones is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Section 5. Beyond the screen display and connectivity. In this section we dive deep into the advancements Apple is making in the realm of display technology and connectivity options for the upcoming iPhone 17. Of course, no iPhone discussion is complete without talking display and connectivity. These two aspects are crucial for the overall user experience, and Apple knows it. The iPhone 17 is rumored to feature larger displays across the board. This means more screen real estate for everything from watching videos to multitasking with multiple apps. We're talking a potential 6.3-inch screen on the standard model. This is a significant upgrade from previous models, offering a more immersive viewing experience. And yes, promotion is expected to be standard on all models this time around. This means smoother scrolling, more responsive touch inputs, and an overall better visual experience. But hold on, there's more. Apple is not just stopping at larger screens and promotion. Apple is said to be working on a new display technology that's even more scratch-resistant than their current ceramic shield. This could mean fewer worries about screen damage from everyday use. Plus, they're aiming for better anti-reflective properties. This would make it easier to use your iPhone in bright sunlight without straining your eyes. That means less glare and better outdoor visibility. Imagine reading your emails or watching videos outside without any annoying reflections. And to top it off, expect the iPhone 17 to rock Apple-designed Wi-Fi 7 and custom Bluetooth chips. These new chips promise to deliver faster and more reliable connections. Get ready for blazing fast download speeds and rock-solid connectivity. Whether you're streaming high-definition content or transferring large files, the iPhone 17 is set to handle it all with ease. Section 6, a slimmer edition, the iPhone 17 Slim Air. Now for the juicy stuff. Leaks have hinted at a potential new addition to the iPhone 17 lineup, the iPhone 17 Slim or iPhone 17 Air. This ultra-thin variant could be Apple's answer to the growing demand for more compact flagship phones. Details are scarce, but imagine a phone with a smaller footprint but similar specs to the standard iPhone 17. Think of it as the spiritual successor to the iPhone SE, but with a more modern design language. Of course, this is all speculation at this point, but it's a tantalizing prospect nonetheless. Section 7. Price tag, what to expect. Let's face it, iPhones aren't exactly known for being budget-friendly. And with all the rumored upgrades, the iPhone 17 is unlikely to break that trend. While Apple hasn't officially announced pricing, analysts predict a starting price of around $799 for the base model. Of course, the Pro models will command a premium, with the Pro Max potentially touching the $1,200 mark. It's a hefty price to pay, but for many, the cutting-edge technology and premium experience are worth every penny. Section 8. Mark your calendar's release date. The million-dollar question, when can you get your hands on the iPhone 17? Well, Apple is a creature of habit. They typically unveil their new iPhones in September, and all signs point to a similar launch window for the iPhone 17. Expect a media event in mid-September, followed by pre-orders that same week. The actual release will likely happen a week or two later. So, mark your calendars, set your reminders, and get ready for the iPhone 17 launch frenzy. Section 9. The future of iPhone. As we look ahead, the iPhone 17 is poised to redefine what we expect from a smartphone. Apple has always been at the forefront of innovation, and this time is no different. The iPhone 17 is shaping up to be a game-changer. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, it promises to deliver an unparalleled user experience. Imagine a device that not only meets your needs but anticipates them. With its radical new design, the iPhone 17 is set to turn heads. The design is not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality and user experience. The seamless integration of hardware and software will make it a joy to use. Camera upgrades that'll make you rethink mobile photography. The new camera system is expected to feature advanced sensors and lenses, allowing for stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love capturing moments, this camera will exceed your expectations. And a chip that pushes the boundaries of mobile processing. The new processor will not only be faster but also more efficient, enabling smoother multitasking and more immersive gaming experiences. It's designed to handle the most demanding apps and tasks with ease. It's clear that Apple isn't resting on its laurels. The company continues to innovate and push the envelope, ensuring that each new iPhone is better than the last. The iPhone 17 is a testament to Apple's commitment to excellence and innovation. And with the potential addition of the iPhone 17 Slim Air, Apple is clearly listening to consumer demands for more diverse form factors. This new model is expected to be lighter and more compact, making it perfect for those who prefer a more portable device. Apple is clearly listening to consumer demands for more diverse form factors. The company understands that one size does not fit all, and they are committed to offering a range of options to suit different preferences and lifestyles. The future of iPhone is looking bright. With each new release, Apple continues to set the standard for the industry. The iPhone 17 is not just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future of technology and innovation. And we can't wait to see what Apple has in store for us. The anticipation is building, and tech enthusiasts around the world are eagerly awaiting the next big announcement. Stay tuned for more updates and exciting news. As always, thanks for watching. We appreciate your support and enthusiasm for all things tech. Your engagement helps us bring you the latest and greatest in technology news and reviews. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Your feedback is invaluable to us, and we look forward to hearing your thoughts on the future of iPhone and other exciting tech developments.